We're back inside the Restoration Workshop for more inspiring transformations next Tuesday evening at 8. New and exclusive to yesterday. And catch up on the series so far on demand with UK TV Play. Next here, though, the two Ronnies.
It's been at the heart of Glasgow for 140 years.
This place was at the forefront of the Industrial Revolution. The biggest was the best.
Running 900 trains a day.
Next and final stop will be Glasgow Central.
For 32 million passengers a year.
Glasgow Central attracts all walks of life.
Meet the dedicated team working around the clock.
You've just got to try and be optimistic every single day.
Yes! To keep Scotland's busiest railway station on track.
I live for the railway.
We'll get them home one way or the other.
Inside Glasgow Central Station. Starts Monday at 8, new to yesterday.
Gilbert and Sullivan given a Barker and Corbett twist now on yesterday in the first of two show-stopping extravaganzas from the two Ronnies.